My entry price is at 3177. I got this entry at the retest of trend line. Market broke here. I entered in this stadium and I placed my stop loss at this high. The market got again one last case who wanted stop loss of these sellers, and the market is going downside. No, I don't look at any indicators. I only indicate the volumes. In volumes, I took trade, and I only take trade by volumes. Yeah, man, we were just some kind of jumbling things for the traders. It needs more than two or three stories, like two or three confirmation. But like with trendline, you can only go with one or two confirmation with a perfect target and perfect profit and stop loss. Like I'll show you. Yesterday, I took my trade from this zone. I booked my profit at this zone, and I took this trade also. Each and every trade is in my life. Like you can see, I took this trade because of this trend line. I took my target entry at this zone, and I booked my target when it hunted the stop loss of this area. I usually don't look any indicators. I only indicate volumes in the trade because volume is the major concept in which everyone take their entry or they book their stop loss. That's why I only indicate volumes. Volume play major roles. Like you can see, my trend line broke at this area. You got volumes of high confirmation here that everyone exited their buy side trade. Everyone's stop loss has been hunted in this level. Like you can see, everyone planned their buying trade as this zone. They bought here, they bought here, they bought here, and they got hunted in this area. That's why volume got generated in this area. And when volume got generated for sell side, and I entered in that trade. Volumes play the major role in trend line concept. Volumes make an one another side hero story to enter in this trade. Like you can see. I trade in this trade because of volume 2. 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 Like you can see, I plan each and every trade by trend line and volumes. Getting 18 plus points in this trade. I can move my stop loss from this zone to this zone, or I can keep it C to C. Let's see what market makes. I not only took this trade by on background. If I if the trade is by breakdown, you must have traded here and you must have got stop loss at this area. Always wait for confirmation. Like you can get a retest. Like everyone enters in this trade, everyone got their stop loss. At least we can take the 50%. We can plan at this area when we get a retest on the same trend line. It's an extra confirmation, like volumes. You can plan a sell side trade at this zone too. Like market done breakdown of the zone and breakdown of this trend line. Wait till market make a small retest at this area. You can plan at this area and you can hunt stop loss of this or this liquidity area. Custom like you can go in indicators, just type volume and you will get this indicator first one. And don't no changes in this volume indicator. Just click go on indicators, click on volume, type volume, you will get the first one. That one is the indicator which I am using. This indicator helps a lot. Like you can see everyone bought at this area, and how you can see that they exited or they got their stop loss of that area. You can see with volumes, the level of this volumes is high from the below bars. That's why they got or they all got hunted in this area. That's why volume indicator play a major role in trades. You just have to track trend line and you just have to go with volumes and you can see how market plays. In this trade, like you can also see the ones the retailers who got entered in this area, they got their stop loss and they are exited from the trade, and now you can see they are fighting because they got FOMO. They can get FOMO, like they are going to enter at this area, they can see a green candle, they will enter in this area. Like you can see the volume of the green candle is also increasing. They'll go the market will go till this zone, like it can go play a small candles, and it will trap all the retailers at this area, and then it can dump from the area. Like now you can see everyone entered in this area. Every buyers got entered in this because they got FOMO. They got kicked out of the market. They got their stop loss at this area. This area. Everyone got out because you can see the volumes, and now they are fighting because they got FOMO. They can miss the trade, and they are fighting with market now. Like we can plan our trade at this zone, We can place our stop loss at this area. 15 points isn't that much big. We can take 1 is to 2. We can plan this type of trade too from a simple volume indicator. Everyone got out of the market. We can see everyone got out of this, and you got 50% in this volume. Like you can see, this is 100%. Then you got 50% in the second candle, and that everyone indicates that 50% of them retail traders entered in this trade because they got out kicked out of market of their stop loss, and now they can fight with market. And they want their buy side trade. They want to go buy side, and we can plan stop loss of this swing too. And we can take 1 is to 2, or you can plan till this area, but I can plan this trade till this area. The reason we track volumes is the simple thing in which we get to know whoever entered the trade or whoever exited the trade. And different, it is not different. I select in delta exchange. Otherwise in trading you can also see in trading view it's same. You only go in indicator section, only search volume. You will get the first one simple thing. I'll show you once again. See, I removed this. I deleted the volume indicator. Like you can see, go in indicators, type volume. The first one, I got the same. Like you can see. Show in trading view. Wait, I'll just place my chart on trading view. I'll show you which to select. This is trading view. Like you can see, just type ETH. You can get Ethereum US dollar. Ethereum US dollar. You can see simple thing. Go on that. I'll show you the indicator. There's the volume. I deleted the volume from below. You can see. Go on indicators. Type volume. You can get the clear one. It has nothing in front like everything volume delta volume square net volume. No, don't select it. Select just a simple volume. You can get same. Like see, simple thing. In trading view you can just go type ETH like you can see and get Ethereum US dollar. Every broker performs different candle sizes. Like you can see, TradingView is tracked by all over. Delta Exchange, which I am tracking, this only we use in India. In which country are you in? Are you from India or outside from India? Every each and every broker or each and every exchange you use shows different chart. Like you can see, you can go and see in coin DCX, you can see a might different and a small difference in the charts. Like you can see different chart in TradingView and Delta Exchange too. You can track XNES. You can use XNES from US. You can see Delta Exchange, or you can track only Ethereum, only TradingView. But it's not that different. Like you can see, it's the size of the candles below, before that, and see the candle size. It's almost bigger. We just have to track that it is might bigger than previous bars. Like you can see, if it's bigger, then everyone is exited the trade, and if it's smaller, everyone entered, and if it's smaller, everyone is trying panicking in that at that area. Each and every exchange you will select, it will show you a different and different only chart and different candles or different bars of volume. Like you can see, it's my different here, it's different here, because everyone don't track the same exchange. Trading is just for showing. Like trading view only shows we can't trade or we can't place our trades in trading view, as you know. Then we have to place in exchange. That's why exchange show us a perfection of the candles. Like you can see, why I got perfection, because everyone got exited of this from this trade. Because in exchange money is extended, and only in trading we only see the chart. Tall green candle from the volume, or this candle. It's simple. I will explain you. I will explain you. I'll explain you here. Like you can see, everyone bought their buy side trade here. They got entered in this trend line, and everyone saw the breakout of the zone. Like you can see, breakout, breakout. Everyone bought their got the entry or bought the Ethereum at this area, and everyone again bought the Ethereum at this area. Everyone plays a stop loss of this swing, like you can see, because this is the swing in which if it crosses, it will go for sell side. Everyone plays a stop loss here, and everyone got exited from this area. Like you can see, market left a wick here, and everyone got exited. Like some of them place their stop loss at this area, some of them place their stop loss of this area, because they keep buffer in their trade. And you can see, like you can see, everyone got exited. A big green candle, big green bar, you can see. Like you will be comfortable for the bar, or you will get confused from the bars of this and the candle bars. Everyone got exited. Like you can see, everyone entered here, everyone entered here, everyone entered everyone took entry of buy side in this long side. And you can see it's bigger from previous, like previous bars. Everyone exited, everyone got liquidated at this area. Simple shows us that everyone got liquidated from this area, in simple concept. The reason I told you to enter in this sell side trade, you can see. I'll shift my stop loss till this area because I if market crosses this, it can go for this and this. The reason I entered in this trade, you can see everyone got exited at this area. You can see in volumes, and I got a trend line. I got a trend line at this area. Market broke down the trend line. It got retest on the same trend line, and we can get a follow through. And again, one reason or extra reason in which I'm entering in this trade. Everyone got exited this area, and you can see 50% volume got real. It got again in the next candle because everyone got in FOMO. Like how Ethereum can kick me out of this trade, or how I am not getting any profit. They got in FOMO and they are offending market. They are fighting with market. They got offended by market and they are fighting with market, and they got the entry again and place their stop loss below this zone, and their stop loss will to get hunt again. And not only Ethereum, you can give me any crypto chart. I'll give you a trade, or I'll explain you the volume concept on that chart too. Do you have any doubts regarding volume concept or trendline concept, or you got clear by information I gave you now? Yes, you got it perfect. Like you can see, the wick of this candle shows that sellers are even pushing down, and you can see those who got entered in this sell side, they got their stop loss at this area too. Like how I find it, you can see the volume, you can see the previous bars, 1 2 3 4. Those who got selling sell, like you can see everyone got breakdown as this area, they got entered in sell side, they got entered in sell side. Those who got exited from this buying side with this stop loss, those they also got in FOMO, they got entered for buy side, market give buying trade for them. And whoever entered with this breakdown for selling side, they got stop loss of their zone too. Like you can see previous candles are small and the volumes got bigger, and everyone got exited with this candle, this week, and market will go down now. Simple thing, you can track your volume with this type 2, or you can type with this also. But the volume show you the major role. Volumes plays a major role because it shows us the hunted stop losses in which volume is generated. Like you can see market got everyone kicked out, everyone got their stop loss. Those who entered at this breakdown, those who entered at this breakdown, those who got entered at these levels, they everyone got exited because of this wick, because it showed a strong candle and everyone got out of the market. Market kicked everyone out, and when market kicks sellers out, the market will go for selling. I'm seeing that 9 a.m. is rejecting candles hard. Now it's going straight down to VWAP like a magnet. Like it indicators helps you, and indicators gives you confusion. Like you can see 9 a.m. or this VWAP. It gives you confusion. We only enter in simple rules. It everything is same. Everything is same. Like you can see volumes are same, VWAP is same, and like you can see other indicates EMA is also same. It gives you a sell side entry too, but I entered because I got volume confirmation and I got trend line setup. Everyone track with different setup, but see, like I will explain you in this side. uh, it's me and this is you. First person me, second person is you. I only play with you play with EMA. First thing, you play with VWAP. Second thing, and you have any other your setup, like you can track or like VWAP or anything you ask. You play with 9 EMA, you play with 50 MA. You see bigger time frame, you get 4 hour time frame. I don't play. I only use trend line concept and volume concept. This is same as this, and I get same returns like you get, but only with simple thing, simple one or second thing. If you are playing, you are going like you want bigger trades, swing trades, then you can see all of this by only for trailing your stop loss. If you are intraday trader, or if you want to only track, or if you want to only get 50 60 or 30 20 points, you can only track first trend line, and second thing is volumes. Like you can see, in my big trade, I got almost 19 points, and in second trade also I'm getting 10 points plus. Like sometimes simplicity is better. Yes, that's the simple thing I explain in my each and every life. That don't go with everyone goes like volume. No, sorry, like everyone goes till EMA 50 EMA or first thing is EMA, second thing is 50 EMA, or third thing is VWAP, or you have any other indicators you use. Don't go with everything. Just go simply with trend line, volume. Done. You don't need any other. This not much things that you need for trading. You just need your mindset and your trusted setup. My trusted setup is trend line and volume. I only trade with it. Simple thing. Enter in trade. When you enter in trade, you will see that 9 EMA is not on my area, 50 EMA is not on my area. VWAP is indicating something different. EMA is indicating something different. You will see, and that time that trade will go from your hand. It will go in your side only. It will go in your side only, but it will get out of your hand. That's what get simple thing. Don't go that much. Like you can see, I got almost 11 points in this set. That's nothing. You if you waited till your EMA or VWAP, you got something entry at this or this area. That time I almost had 50% of your profit. It's going the safe. Like you can see, market everyone is showing. Those who bought here, market is showing that if market is going in buy side, because they can enter with heavy amount and heavy quantity. Who bought here, they can enter in heavy amount. And market can get the SL too. We have our stop loss. We will place our stop loss at this area like 6 points. If market kick out us, we'll go out. Or market kick out them, we'll enjoy the trade. Simple thing. I can hold my stop loss till this area to like 50% of this candle. Like 10 points. 10 points isn't that big for me. But if it plays well, it can go till 30 or 36 points. Because market it, it at this zone, everyone is buying, everyone is buying. And if everyone is selling, that's why this candle is happening. Because market is kicking out them from the market. Like if sellers are kicked, market will go for selling. If buyers are kicked, market will go for buying. Market plays a simple role. Whoever has kicked out of market, market goes in that favor. each and every indicator has a different way for showing you the market. Just I will only teach you, or I will only say you simple thing. Learn with only naked market. Naked market. Don't use much indicators or much VWAP or your EMA or 9 EMA, 50 EMA. How much EMA? I don't even know how to trade with EMA. I will tell you a simple thing. I don't know how to enter with EMA, but that too I booked 40 points here, 60 points here, and you can see my trade. In this trade too I book almost 100 points, 126 points. Like you can see, you can go and see my live. In each and every live I have placed the trade and I have got the stop loss or target, and 75% I have got the target. I don't even know how to use EMA. I have learned VWAP things, but I don't use VWAP. But still I am getting a target which everyone is hoping that they will get. I'll only prefer you, and I will only tell you, only learn with naked chart. Only naked chart. You will get a perfection with naked chart. Any other doubts do you have? I will explain you a simple thing in this trade. See, those who didn't exit their selling trade from this area, you can see in this candle, whoever sold at this area, the green candles perform this much big because this green candle exited everyone who sold at this area. Like you can see, green candle got a volume, and this red candle to these two red candles to got a volume. Those who didn't got exited, those who said I will hold, and I will tell my stop loss till this swing or this swing, they also got exited in this trade. Like market is kicking each and every seller out of this market and only trapping buyers. Like you can see, market show a double top pattern. Sorry, double bottom pattern. It form a W at the zone, support zone. Like markets attracting each and every buyer and kicking out sellers. This is the reason I am only holding the sell trade. I traded with 25 or 40x leverage in Delta Exchange. We get live every day, like at 9 a.m. in morning on weekdays and only on Saturday. I don't get live on Sundays. We get live every day from Monday to Saturday at 9 to 12. And if I got time in evening, I get live at 4:32. Otherwise, I get live at every morning 9 a.m. and every night at 10:30 p.m. If you have time, you can join our live and you can see and you can ask your doubts, your questions, or you can see and trade with us. That means you do the best things. Like I too like swings and positional trades because it doesn't have any headache for swing trades. If you are intraday traders, you get a must headache. Like you have to keep your cut to cut stop loss. You have to keep your cut to cut target too. But in swing trade, you can hold like when you want until the swings major swings come in the market. And even you can use my trendline method or my trendline concept or the volume concept in your swing trades also. With I'll explain you with example. Let's see, do you have any example with BTC? On what time frame do you do your swing trades? I usually prefer 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame. You can see this is Bitcoin chart. This is a swing side or this can be a swing trade. Tesla. अच्छा अच्छा, you trade in Tesla. See the reason you can sell at this zone. You almost got 9,500 points from this to this area with simple volume confirmation. You can see it's 4 hour time frame. Even I had traded in Ethereum. I'll show you at this area. When the market got correct, I got my entry at these levels, and I almost exited my entry at this level because it got a green candle here, and I thought that it can hunt a sell of this buyers and it can go for buying side. That's why I exited this zone. But I entered in trade at this area with the correction, and everyone got liquidated.
My mistake. I will do. It is okay. Just forget about the mobile. You can buy me a good filter coffee, please. You like coffee? I love coffee. You? No coffee, no tea. Coffee ना. You said my name correctly. Umayyan. Umayyan. हमारे मराठी में how much for this? 18,000. पापा का ओल्ड एज होम है. हाँ. हाँ. तो कितने ओल्ड लोग हैं उसमें? 35. पहले कितने हुआ करते थे उसमें? पहले तो कम हुआ करते थे, फिर कोविड में सांप हो गए, फिर वापस आ गए. ब्रेथलेस टू शेमलेस. गुजर गए गुजर गए गुजर गए गुजर गए गुजर गए. सारे नहीं नहीं, सारे नहीं रहे, कुछ रहे. तो आप जाते हो ओल्ड एज होम में कभी? हाँ, जाता हूँ कभी कभी. आप कैसे जाओगे ये बोलने के बाद? उनको वो वीडियो वीडियो का देखते हैं. अच्छा, उधर नेट में लगा दिया? नहीं नहीं, वो तारक मेहता देखते हैं.
7 habits of highly effective people. Do you want to be an effective person? Yes. Do you want to be a leader? You want to be a big person in your life? You want to do.
चलो देखो दिखाता हूँ, कोई ना कोई अपनी सीट पे जाकर के बैठा होगा, उसको हराएंगे अभी. चलो दिखाओ. ये सीट खाली करेंगे आप सब. थोड़ा सा भैया बैठ नहीं जाइए, सीट मेरी है, उठिए आप, उठ जाइए. चाइना में जब एयर पॉल्यूशन 700 पार हुआ था तो नेशनल इमरजेंसी डिक्लेयर कर दिया गया. इंडिया में आजकल 700 जहरीलापन हवा का लोग मजे मजे में ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं, विदाउट थिंकिंग कि लॉन्ग टर्म में क्या क्या हो सकता है. अगर आप इंटरनेट पे जरा भी एयर प्यूरिफायर्स के बारे में बात कर दिए तो आपको एंटी नेशनल बोल दिया जाएगा. लोग बोलेंगे आ गया एयर प्यूरिफायर का एजेंट, आ गया कमीशन खाएगा. ठीक है, तो सुनो, इंडिया छोड़ो, पूरे धरती को देखते हैं. पूरे दुनिया में अभी रियल टाइम जो 100 मोस्ट पॉल्यूटेड सिटीज हैं, उसमें आप देखो खुद ही हर एक नाम के साइड में तिरंगा दिख जाएगा. ये क्या है? सारा तिरंगा ही है. मोस्ट 100 पॉल्यूटेड सिटीज. और जब मैं डीयू में था, कॉलेज में था, तो मैंने ना ऐसे ही पार्ट टाइम में मेरा खुद का कैफे खोला था रेस्टोरेंट में. तो 2 साल लास्ट के कॉलेज में मैं वो खोला था. उसके बाद मैंने ट्रैवल शुरू कर दी, तो मैंने बेच दिया मेरे मैनेजर को. और फीजी के एक आइलैंड नांदी, जो मैंने आइलैंड देखा, मुझे बताऊं नांदी कैसे. नांदी एक आइलैंड के भी एक रिमोट कॉर्नर में था, और मेरे साथ बोला ऐसा खाएगा क्या, कोई इंडियन ही खाते हैं. फीजी में इंडियन खाना मिल जाता है, क्योंकि ये देख पास में छोटा सा ढाबा आगे बैठे इतने में फिर सर यहाँ पे मेरा सब्सक्राइबर है यार फीजी में, क्योंकि कई बार सर बोलते मुझे लगता है कोई सब्सक्राइबर. मैंने शेफ था 2018 में कैफे में, 90 का शेफ था फीजी में, उस आइलैंड में. और उस दिन मैंने बोला कितनी छोटी दुनिया है यार, वहाँ भी लोग आपको कहीं भी मिल सकते हैं. जब मैं डीयू में था.
प्रश्न 7.5 करोड़ रुपए शाश्वत गोयल जी आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर. किस ब्रिटिश सैन्य टुकड़ी को प्राइम इन इंडिस आदर्श वाक्य दिया गया था, क्योंकि वो भारत में तैनात होने वाली पहली टुकड़ी थी.
भैया, हाँ भैया, ये मोबाइल बेचना था. भैया आईफोन 14 प्रो मैक्स. भैया ये मैंने क्या अभी नया फोन ही खरीदा था, बस 2 महीने चला हुआ है. मेरे को इसको 70,000 में बेचना है.
यार तो नहीं दे पाऊंगा मैं, 45,000 रुपये लास्ट में दे सकता हूँ। उसको जमे तो ठीक है, वरना कोई नहीं।
ठीक है भैया, आप एक काम करो, मेरा नंबर लिख लो, अगर आपको कभी लगे तो आप मुझे कॉल कर लेना। 78299 मिस कॉल कर दीजिए। ठीक है।
ओके। हाँ भैया, कौन सा चाहिए आपको? 14 प्रो मैक्स आपको पड़ेगा 1,40,000 रुपये का, ब्रांड न्यू रहेगा। भैया एक फोन तो है अपने पास में फायदे का, वो 2 महीने चला हुआ है, लेकिन वो 90,000 रुपये में देगा आपको मार्केट।
ठीक है भैया,
एक काम कीजिए, आप मुझे 5,000 रुपये बुकिंग अमाउंट दे दो, उसके बाद शाम को आके ले आना।
ठीक है।
ओके। हेलो।
हाँ भैया, ले रहे हो क्या 70,000 में मोबाइल?
हाँ भैया, वो आपका फोन लेने आ जाओ, 70,000 रुपये का अपन फाइनल करेंगे।
ठीक है भैया, मैं अभी आया।
ओके।
भैया ये लो, आपने फोन के लिए कॉल किया था।
ठीक है भैया।
70,000 बात हुई थी अपनी।
दो। ठीक
ठीक है भैया। हाँ भाई, ये मेरा कमीशन 15,000 रुपये।
ठीक है, इसके आगे एक्सप्लेन करो।
मैं बताती हूँ सर, एक आदमी ने अपनी पोती के साथ गलत हरकत की है।
आपने देखा था?
इसने खुद हमें बताया सर। इससे पूछिए सर, बताएगी।
आपका नाम क्या है?
स्वीटी।
किस क्लास में हो?
सिनेमा स्वी।
यहाँ हो। यहाँ क्या चल रहा है आपको पता है?
हाँ, ये जानती है सर। जब मम्मी और नानी ब्यूटी पार्लर गई थी तब मेरे साथ नहीं नहीं, जब वो मंदिर गए थे तब दादू ने मुझे अपनी गोद में बिठा के।
सुनो, इसे ले जाओ। तुम्हारे पापा ने ऐसा किया है?
हाँ सर, जब देखो रोते रहते हैं।
तुम्हारे पापा की उम्र कभी ऐसी कंप्लेंट हुई है?
मम्मी की कैंसर से मौत हो गई, तब से पापा रोते ही रहते हैं।
वो क्या है सर, मेंटल इशू है।
शादी से पहले या शादी के बाद?
हमें लगा अच्छे लोग ने इसीलिए शादी करवाई। हाँ, और उसे गलती की सजा मैं आज तक भुगत रही हूँ सर। हमारी फैमिली की इज्जत तो जैसे मिट्टी में मिल चुकी है सर। बाहर निकलना मुश्किल हो गया है। मेरी बेटी और मैं इस निकम्मे आदमी के साथ कैसे जिएं?
इसीलिए तो तुम्हें 5 करोड़ मिल रहे हैं। सुनो, क्या ये 5 करोड़ देगा ही
हम
नहीं?
इन्हीं के घर में रह रहे हैं सर। 5 करोड़ का घर है इनका। नहीं सर, गांव में भी एक घर है और 10 एकड़ जमीन है और एक कॉम्प्लेक्स से 5 लाख का रेंट आता है।
मैडम, आप ये तो जानती हैं, पर बेटी किस क्लास में है ये नहीं पता।
जबान भी सही सर।
फिसल गई। इनसे 5 करोड़ मिले तो केस वापस ले लेंगे।
अब और क्या कर सकते हैं? एक बुजुर्ग आदमी को जेल में डालना अच्छा थोड़ी लगेगा सर।
बहुत दयालु है। अगर घास चटे गई खुद को वकील कहते हो? नहीं सर, मेरी तुम्हारी क्लाइंट है, तुम्हारी पार्टनर। कहाँ से पढ़ाई की है? क्रिमिनल्स का साथ है तुम? अरे शर्म करो, जमीन है कि नहीं? चलो डिसाइड करो। सीनियर सिटीजन पर झूठा मुकदमा दर्ज करने के लिए, कोर्ट का टाइम वेस्ट करने के लिए आईपीसी 209 के तहत इन पर 25,000 का जुर्माना लगाएगा। चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट का मिसयूज करने के लिए आईपीसी 193 के तहत इन दोनों को 6 महीने की सजा सुनाई जाती है। बच्ची की कस्टडी आज से उसके दादाजी को दी। 7/11 के तहत केस डिसमिस। तो कितनी देर तक सांस रोक सकता है? अबे उतनी देर जितनी देर तक मैं तेरी माँ की देख बहन काफी है या नहीं? ये बेहोशी की वजह से वो लोग दरवाजा खोल रहे हैं। उठा दिया। बहुत गजब, बहुत गजब। ये कौन आ रहा है? बहुत गजब तो क्या बात है। ये गा दिया है, कंफर्म ये गा दिया है। सर, मेरा हर ऑर्डर मिलने तक हमला रोक दो। तो कितनी देर तक काम?
900 करोड़ रुपए की इस दशक की सबसे बड़ी चोरी करने के लिए सबसे पहले चोरों ने लुम्बिनी म्यूजियम के पीछे की साइड एक बालकनी से लगाकर ट्रक को ऐसे पार्क किया। 2 चोर चेरी पिकर की इस बास्केट में पहुंच गए। एक चोर बाहर खड़ा होकर हर तरफ नजर रख रहा था एक चोर ट्रक के अंदर से ही बास्केट को ऑपरेट कर रहा था। बास्केट के जरिए चोरों को ऊपर इस बालकनी तक पहुंचाया गया। ध्यान दो कि ये बालकनी लूवरे म्यूजियम की अपोलो गैलरी से जुड़ी हुई है, जिसमें फ्रेंच हिस्ट्री की हजारों करोड़ों की ज्वेलरी रखी हुई है, जो इनके राजा रानी पहना करते थे। यहाँ से लगभग 250 मीटर दूर फेमस मोनालिसा की पेंटिंग भी इसी म्यूजियम में मौजूद है। खैर, अपोलो गैलरी की बालकनी में पहुंचने के बाद एंगल ग्राइंडर से चोरों ने इस ग्लास को कट किया और अपोलो गैलरी में घुस गए। जैसे ही चोरों ने एंट्री ली तो अलार्म बजने लगा और
Yeah, it is speaking out, but I will stuck with my stop loss and I'll wait here. This is what we do in trading. I almost got 12 points from the entry. We'll wait. Let's see what market gives us.
कंट्रोल रूम में मौजूद सिक्योरिटी गार्ड को अलर्ट हो गया, लेकिन पिछले 2 हफ्तों से इस लूवरे म्यूजियम में मेंटेनेंस का काम चल ही रहा था और बार बार इस तरह से अलार्म बजता रहता था, जो कंट्रोल रूम वाले सिक्योरिटी गार्ड को मैनुअली बंद करना पड़ता। इस बार के सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ने इस अलर्ट को मैनुअली बंद कर दिया, ये सोचकर कि ये तो कोई मेंटेनेंस का काम ही है। चोर अपोलो गैलरी में और अंदर आ गए, ज्वेलरीज के शोकेस प्रोटेक्शन ग्लासेस को तोड़ा, अपने बैग में ज्वेलरी भरी। प्रोटेक्शन ग्लासेस तोड़ते ही फिर से जब अलार्म बजने लगा तो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स ने अप्रोच किया। चोरों ने उनको हथियार दिखाए। चोर वापस से बालकनी में कूदे। बालकनी में चढ़े बिकर की ऊपर से नीचे आए, जहां बाकी के 2 चोर रेडी लेके खड़े थे, उन पे बैठकर निकल गए। इस बात में कोई दो राय नहीं है कि इसमें से काफी सारा माल इन अंग्रेजों ने कॉलोनियल एरा के टाइम पे दूसरे देशों से लूटा था, इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया, श्रीलंका और कोलंबिया एक्सेट्रा से। आज कुछ चोरों ने यही माल अपने से लूट लिया। हिसाब बराबर 900 करोड़ रुपए।
गाइस वीडियो देखो फिर फनी कमेंट पढ़ेंगे। यही है जिसने स्कूल की खोज की थी। प्रणाम गुरुजी, कैसे हो? इतनी अच्छी लाइफ जिंदगी ना बनाने के लिए इसी की वजह से स्कूल में सर्दी हो गई। स्कूल तो ठीक था
क्या अगर गेम्स में अपने किसी हॉबी को ट्रेन मोस्ट
रजवांजा ने बोला था नोट कड़ा गया तुम्हारा, लेकिन कुछ समझ में नहीं आया। पकड़े गए तो बच्चों को नोट मिलेगा भाई। थैंक यू। अब बताओ भाई कौन सा नकली है? अगर आपने बता दिया ये सारा बैग आपका,
तो झूठी अगर नकली नोट बता दूंगा तो बाकी के नोटों से क्या अपनी कार्ड साफ करूंगा?
अगर आपने नकली नोट पकड़ लिया ना, मैं आपको 1 लाख कैश दूंगा। लेकिन अगर आपको नहीं मिला ना नकली नोट, आपको हमें 1 लाख रुपए कैश देना पड़ेगा ना भाई।
तो तू बताना कौन सा है नकली?
मेरे को भी नहीं पता भाई इसमें से नकली कौन सा है। अपना नकली असली से भी कड़क है, वो तो है।
मेजबान ने बोला तो
Kanika ji, you love painting naked people.
I've got something for you.
लग रहा है।
बाथरूम जाके आया।
इस सवाल का आप गारंटीड गलत जवाब देंगे। 25 साल की उम्र में आप 5,000 रुपए की एसआईपी शुरू करें, हर साल उसको 5% से बढ़ाते हैं एंड 55 साल की उम्र तक इन्वेस्ट करें। मान लीजिए एवरेज रेट ऑफ रिटर्न आपको 15%, फिर आप इन्वेस्ट करना शुरू कर दें। 60 साल की उम्र में आप रिटायर हो जाते हैं और हर महीने 2 लाख रुपए, आज के 2 लाख रुपए उस समय पे जितने भी होंगे वो खर्च करना शुरू करें एंड 90 साल की उम्र तक ये करें। 90 साल की उम्र तक पहुंचते पहुंचते क्या आपके पैसे खत्म हो जाएंगे या नहीं? मैं बताऊं, 90 साल की उम्र तक आपके पैसे खर्च नहीं, बल्कि आपके पास आपकी 17 करोड़ ये है पावर लॉन्ग टर्म बोरिंग रूप से। इस सवाल का आप गारंटीड गलत जवाब देंगे।
GTA 5 में 7 मिशन की स्टार्टिंग में माइकल अपने घर में अमेंडा को ढूंढने लगता है और ढूंढते हुए उसे पता चलता है कि अमेंडा के साथ टेनिस कोच का चक्कर चल रहा है। इसलिए माइकल उसको जैसे ही गुस्से में पकड़ने जाता है, कोच बालकनी से कूदकर भाग जाता है और तभी वहां पर फ्रैंकलिन आता है, जिसे भी सब कुछ पता चलते ही माइकल उससे पूछता है तुम मेरे साथ जा रहे हो या नहीं, जो सुनकर फिर फ्रैंकलिन भी हाँ कर देता है और दोनों मिलकर उसकी कार का पीछा करने लगते हैं और पीछा करते करते यह लोग पहाड़ पर बने हुए एक घर तक पहुंच जाते हैं पर कोच आकर छुप गया था और दूर से ही होशियारी बता रहा और तभी फ्रैंकलिन गाड़ी का हुक ले जाता है।
ऐसे से मार रहा अब सरकारी नौकरी है इसकी, क्या कर दिया ये?
आपके बेटे भी पॉक्सो लगा।
तो हॉस्पिटल लेके चलते हैं इसको।
पॉक्सो प्रिवेंशन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन। आपके सुशील ने बेचारी गुड्डू के साथ सुहाग दिन, सुहाग दोपहर और सुहाग शाम को
इसमें 105 साल
सिर्फ 17 की नाबालिग और वो 20 का बालक।
सुशील ने जो किया अपनी पत्नी के साथ किया ना।
अगर आप गुड्डू को सुशील की बीवी मानते हैं
हेलो अरे
आरटीओ ऑफिसला कोण आहे का ओळखीचं?
कुठं
आरटीओ ऑफिसला
आरटीओ ऑफिसला का रे कोण पकडले?
नाही नाही,
हा
आपले हे करायला लाईट पाहिजे होती हो तिथनं.
काय पाहिजे होती?
लाईट
म्हणजे
तिथं टाकायचं ठरवलंय,
हा
जरा लाईट पाहिजे होती.
शक्यतो बॅटरी वगैरे केला तर बरं पडणार ना तुला.
बॅटरीला लोडच घेणार नाही. असं सीन आहे.
आरटीओ ऑफिस मधनं कशी लाईट घेणार मग आता तू?
आरटीओ ऑफिस मधनं नाही, आपलं ते हायलँड सिटी
हा
म्हणजे त्याबरोबर समोर आहे, तिथनं म्हणजे आसपासनं कुठनं आली तर.
बरं ठीक आहे, बघतो थांब. संध्याकाळी यायला जाऊन येतो, कोण ओळखीचं आहे का बघतो आणि तुला सांगतो.
बरोबर लावा की आठवण्याला.
100%
हा हा.
Yes, I do know it is going to turn bullish, but I am going to hold till my stop loss area because I was in sell side because of some reasons, and I placed my stop loss for this swing because of the reasons which I entered in this trade. That's why I am going to hold. Same as it shown on your chart as it broke your trend line. See, this is a buying trend line. You can see. If it broke the zone, it can go for buying. I'll just switch my position. And you can see as volumes, everyone got entered in this trade. Everyone is getting entered in buying side, buying side, buying side. I think buying can happen, but it want to hunt the stop loss of buyers. After that, it can go. This was my first trade in which I can hold till 8 points. This is my second trade in which I can hold till 50% of this candle. 50% of this particular candle. Yes. I have placed my stop loss of this zone. I can get a rejection from this trend line too. Like you can see. Reject from the trend, reject from trend, reject from trend. I can get a rejection too. I'll wait for my stop loss zone. It's BTC. Let's check what BTC is doing. BTC has fallen much. BTC is getting a buying side, like you can see. Because of Ethereum, I'll not go for buying that Ethereum because it can get my SL2 for buyers. This is my buying side trend line, as you can see. I got a buying side trend line, and in which I can get a rejection from the buying side trend line. And in Bitcoin, everyone is buying, like you can see. Whoever sold at this zone, they got their stop loss in this candle. This can be a buying entry, but I am for bearish. I am in bearish side because I got my entry first in bearish. Now I will hold my trade till my stop loss. If I got my stop loss, I'll see and I'll plan a retest entry in Bitcoin. When it comes here, I'll place my retest entry at this zone and I can plan my targets at this area. But I'll wait. Let first market prove me that it is going for bullish area. In a buying side, like you can see. Because of Ethereum, I'll not go for buying at Ethereum because can get myself to for buyers. This is my buying side trend line, as you can see. I got a buying side trend line, and in which I can get a rejection from the buying side trend line. And in Bitcoin, I said go for buyers. This is my buying side trend line, as you can see. I got a buying side trend line, and in which I can get a in Bitcoin is bullish. Bitcoin is taking Ethereum upside, like you can see. Ethereum fall from the swing here, but Ethereum Bitcoin isn't falling from the swing. I am still on bearish side. I'll see. I can only tell my stop loss till this zone. I can't do anything else. But still, I don't get my stop loss. I'm not going to exit this bearish trade. Like with your indicators of EMA and indicators of VWAP, you got a buy side entry here, you got a sell side entry here, you got a buy side entry here. Now you can get a sell side entry here. See, your indicators give much than 7-8 entries or much than 2-3 entries in the same area. But I'm in sell side from the start. Like you can see, with a simple naked chart and with simplicity, you can only avoid over trading. You will get the same return at the end, but you can avoid over trading in this zone. Now see, if the market comes till this downside, your VWAP and your EMA will show a sell side entry at this zone. But I am in sell side from first only. If you bought here, you got your stop loss at this area. If you sold here, you got stop loss at this area. We have to only wait. We have to stuck with our one trade and one zone. The same reason I told you, Bitcoin is picking Ethereum to upside. Like you can see, Bitcoin came only this much down, sir. But you can see Ethereum. The reason bullish crypto is going bullish, it's Bitcoin. If it reject from here, I'll wait and sell side. If it plays this candle as it is, or with a bigger volume, then I'll exit my sell side trade. But till then, I'm going to wait. But I seems that market is going for bullish side. If market make a candle like this here without wick on upside, without rejecting from upside, then I'll hold this trade. So then I will exit the trade. So if market reject from the zone, then I will hold the sell side trade. But I don't think market is telling me to hold the trade. I almost got 19 plus point in first trade and almost 12 points in second trade. See, Bitcoin is picking Ethereum to upside. I don't think we have to wait, but we have to stay loyal with our stop loss. I am on the way to exit my Ethereum trade, which I was holding because of this trend line, and Bitcoin is picking Ethereum upside. so it can go for upside. I can exit my trade once it crosses stop loss. It is rejecting, like you can see the candle. This candle rejected, this candle too rejected. Now I have to see the same candle which it's melting now. Mhm. Market can go bullish from the trend line which I have placed here. I'll just wait till what market shows with this trend line of trading view, because it gives us a perfect chart. Yes, I am still in this trade. I know it was going to reverse because everyone is same. Everyone is going for buying. I was talking on call. I was on call. That's why I muted myself. Like I said, I can hunt this. I can hold this till 50%. The market has reversed from the candle of 50%. Like you can see. I told you from first. Like I told you, I can hold till this candle, this green red candles 50%. Like you can see, market has reversed from the same 50% because major of their persons kept their SL of this level and market got all the SLs. Like you can see, one, two, three, four. Now I can hold, and if it goes from me cost to cost, I can keep my SL of this candle 50%. How much it forms? This is how market we have to play in market safely. Like it is taking a retest from the trend line too, but I am not interested in buying side. I was in selling side from first, and like you can see, I have got a new trend line. First touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, and in fourth touch, it is breaking out. Everyone who sold here, they got their stop loss at this zone. And if you wish, you can plan from this zone too, with a small stop loss of 3 points, and you can hunt your SLs of this zone. The reason I didn't exit this trade was simple. Let's see, still it's not reverse. Like we, if we get down from 3173, 3173, if once it go down from 3173, it can be reverse. Still it's up of this zone, it can be bullish too, but I have my stop loss. I can wait from here. See, like your indicators gave you much. First trade, second trade, third trade, fourth trade, fifth trade, sixth trade. It gives you almost 5 to 6 trades in the same zone, and I'm in single trade in the same zone. I'm getting my stop loss. I'm getting my target also, but I have avoided the over trading with the simple method. In Bitcoin, like you can see, everyone buy it at this level. Everyone is buying at this level. They have their stop loss of this zone. Let's see what market makes us and what gives us. Did you understand that why I didn't exit this trade and why I holded this trade? This is the trade which I told you with this trend line concept and with this volume concept, because you can see everyone got exited at this area and everyone bought their entry because of this trend line and because of this zone. We got volumes. Everyone bite at this area and market can go hunt their stop loss of this zone. I'm going to exit my trade. That means I'm already exited my trade. See, the reason I exited my trade was volumes. Like you can see, when the candle came till this area, my volume got till this level from the previous candle. I saw the volumes. That's why I exited this trade. Like you can see, when the candle was in this area, at this zone, I got the same volume as the last candle, but the last candle was smaller than this candle. The reason I exited this trade. Now I will wait till market gives me something confirmation from the trade. See, like you can see, this was my small trade. I got SL in it, but see what market from gives us. Market gives a breakout. It becomes a retest. Now it can go for buying side. Like I said too, Bitcoin is pulling Ethereum upside, and it is pulling each and every crypto upside. It can fall from this zone too, but I'm not interested in selling now. See, like I will wait. I can. I'll show you. This will be my zone. Once Ethereum broke this zone and it gets something here retesting on the zone with volumes, then I can enter in this trade. But till then I am not for selling, and if for selling, let market prove by breaking this zone. I have two zones in which I am going to wait. Market, I know market can go from sell side in this area too, but I am not going to sell because you can see this zone is only of 20 points and it is market is range bound in this area. Okay, I am getting good result with 9 am at 21 am to see good entry and exit. Give it a try. Now I tried my best with EMA with 925. I even tried my trading with 5 EMA too, but I don't get it is so confusing. I get the same entries in trendline concept too. See, like now you can see market created left shoulder head, and if it create a right shoulder and if it gives me entry for this one, I can enter in this area with my trendline concept. You can go and see market is sideways, and you can now watch that your 9 am and 21 am has given you more than more setups. Like wait, I will try showing you. Like it's 9 am. It broke down first here and target was of this zone, but it hunted your stop loss first, then it broke the buying zone. Okay, it's your view, but see, in 9 ma you got entry at this zone, but market got your stop loss. In sell side you got entry at this zone, market got your stop loss. You got entry at this zone for buying and this zone for buying. Now see, market can hunt your stop loss too in this area. But when I'm going to once market get out of this zone, because market has created a zone in which it has entered in morning at 7:30, and market is in the same zone. Market is only trapping each and every one. I only placed one selling side trade and I got exit of that trade. Like you can say, this is 9 EMA trade. Now I can explain you in 21 EMA. In which EMA do you get? 21. See, in 21 EMA. Market gave you a buy side entry in this area. See now what market is going. Market hunted your SL already. See. I ran EMA with combination with 21 EMA. I use cross to target. Acha acha, you does it that way. Okay, I'll do the same. You crossed at this area. You got a sell side entry below this. It got you a small target. See now it crossed this area. You got a buy side entry at this area. It crossed here. Acha, since you got a buy side entry in this area, you kept your target of this area. You kept your stop loss of this area. See now what market does. Market will hunt your stop loss too. Market did a simple thing, like you can see here. Market is just hunting SL We can get it from a simple volume confirmation. See the previous volumes and see the volumes now generated. I know it will go for selling from the zone only, but I'll wait once it crosses my zones, which I have drawn here. I usually, and I don't even try EMA. I'm not confident on the EMA setup. I'm only confident on my trendline setup. Market had just gave us liquidity area. See, we got a simple trend line at this zone too. If market come at the test on this area, I can plan to sell at this zone with putting my stop loss. Now I will put my stop loss of this upside swing. But wait, I'll wait till market retest at this area or 50% of this candle, at least 50% of this candle. See, like I told you, market just got out our what. See, I'll explain what with volumes with what market done. Market got some sellers here, exited the sellers. Market got some buyers at this zone, exited the buyers. Now market tapped all the buyers at this breakdown, at this breakout, at this breakout, and market bought each and everyone at this area. And when everyone got their entry, market done liquidate. So I think someone saw you and exit and enter their shot. Yes, it must be. It must be. I exited my trade because I got this volume confirmation, and that's nothing. I can get this entries, this type of entries, much in daily trades. Like you can say, I take 120 points, 130 points in Ethereum. See, like you can see. I wish I could hold the trade, but it got up than 50% of this candle. That's why I exited my trade. Now I can enter in sell side, but let market proof and market gives retest at this zone. Then I can plan my sell side here and it can go down. Like, and even market is in this zone. You can see market can go sideways because today is Saturday and tomorrow Saturday. It's weekend time. Much of them don't trade in weekend times. That's why market can be sideways in the zone. What we have to do, we have to just stick with our a simple rule in which market gives us target and with your setup. See, now market is pulling from the zone. Like you can see, everyone had their stop loss below this area. Market done the same. Market just liquidated the area. Like you can see this red candle. Market hunted everyone's stop loss who bought here. And I think it's more than 0.61. See, you can see 0.61 level is to break off our FIBO. Market will go for selling, but wait, let market retest, because if I place my trade at this zone, I can get a big stop loss of this swing. If I want small stop loss, I'll wait for market to retest. Yes, bro. Thank you for subscribing me. You can catch me in morning at 9 a.m. by Indian time and at night at 10:30 p.m. If you have any queries, you can ask me that time. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for subscribing me.